Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a Social Security Disability Appeal Letter. What is a Social Security Disability Appeal Letter? A Social Security Disability Appeal Letter is a written communication sent to the Social Security Administration, or SSA, when an individual disagrees with a decision to deny their application for Social Security disability benefits. This letter serves as a formal request to have the SSA reconsider and review their decision. The letter typically outlines the reasons for the appeal, provides supporting evidence, and requests a new evaluation of the disability claim. The goal of the appeal letter is to present a compelling case for why the individual believes they are eligible for Social Security disability benefits and should have their application approved. In this video, Writing Practices will show you how to write a Social Security disability appeal letter step by step. Check this. First of all, you must write your full name. And then, write your home address, including the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year old. For the next, write the information about the recipient. Here, the letter is addressed to Smallville SSA office. And write the full address of the office. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Once you complete the information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Since you don't know the name of the recipient, you can simply write, "To whom it may concern," or "Dear Sir or Madam." In the first paragraph, you need to write an appeal introduction. State clearly that this is an appeal for your Social Security disability claim. And when you do it, don't forget to include your Social Security number. And write also the claim number, along with the date of the determination. Here is the example. I am writing to appeal the decision regarding my Social Security disability claim, which I received on December 1, 2023. My Social Security number is 123456789. And my claim number is 987654321. Make sure you write all these details in the first paragraph to help the recipient verify your identity faster. In the second paragraph, this is where you write your appeal reason. Of course, you must explain that you are appealing the decision to deny your disability benefits. And briefly state the reasons for your appeal. In this example, the writer explained, "I appreciate the thorough review of my case. However, I believe that the decision to deny my disability benefits is not reflective of my true medical condition and its impact on my ability to work." Since you talk about inability to work, now you have to write your medical condition description. Yes, you need to describe your medical condition by emphasizing its severity. And write also how it impacts your ability to work. Here is the example. I am unable to maintain gainful employment due to severe spinal injury and chronic pain, which restrict my mobility and functioning significantly. In the third paragraph, you need to include supporting medical records. The reason your application rejected may be because you are lack in supporting medical records. It is highly recommended that you send more than one doctor's notices. Mention that you have enclosed updated medical records and documentation from your treating physicians. And here is the example. I have enclosed updated medical records and documentation from my treating physicians, Dr. John Doe and Dr. Sarah Johnson, that provide additional evidence of the severity of my condition. And talk brief what inside the notices. You can write something like, "These records clearly demonstrate the ongoing nature of my disability, and my inability to engage in substantial gainful activity. So it is clear about your limitations." And it helps the recipient to reconsider if you are eligible or not. In the fourth paragraph, request for reconsideration and hearing. Yes, sending the records is not enough. You must request a reconsideration of your case. And, if necessary, request a hearing before an administrative law judge. You can clearly state that you believe further review will support your claim. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. Furthermore, I would like to request a reconsideration of my case. And, if necessary, a hearing before an administrative law judge. I believe that a more comprehensive review of my medical history, and the testimonies of my healthcare providers, will support my claim for Social Security disability benefits. You need to show your confidence that you are eligible for this program. And convince the recipient by following the steps shown in this video. In the 5th paragraph, this is where you request for scheduling a hearing. Don't hesitate to ask the SSA to schedule a hearing at their earliest convenience. And request that they notify you of the date, time, and location. Here, you can write something like, I kindly request that the Social Security Administration schedule a hearing, at your earliest convenience. And notify me of the date, time, and location. Not only that, you must also show your readiness to present evidence. State clearly your preparedness to present additional medical evidence and testimony in support of your case. And here is the example. I am fully prepared to present any additional medical evidence and testimony to support my case. In the 6th paragraph, this is where you write your acknowledgement of timeliness. Recognize that the process may take time. But still, you need to emphasize your urgent need for disability benefits. And here, you may write, I understand that this process may take some time, but I am in urgent need of disability benefits to cover my medical expenses and provide for my basic needs. Your timely consideration of my appeal is greatly appreciated. Sure, this is a polite form. Don't hesitate to use this if you don't know what to write. In the 7th paragraph, this is where you give your contact information. Yes, provide your contact information for any additional inquiries or requirements. In this example, the writer told the recipient, if you require any additional information, documentation, or have any questions regarding my appeal, please do not hesitate to contact me at janesmith@email.com, or 555-123-4567. Yes, both phone number and email address are crucial to include in this letter, so the recipient can contact you faster than replying to your letter via mail. In the last paragraph, write an appreciation and conclusion. You need to thank the recipient for their attention to the matter. This is a basic rule in all formal letters. And express your anticipation of the opportunity to present your case. Here is the example. Thank you for your attention to this matter. I look forward to the opportunity to present my case and demonstrate the validity of my disability claim. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a Social Security disability appeal letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.